Hi, Shannon here, and today's question is, do I really need a trust? And the answer is yes, if you own property, especially yes. If something were to happen to you and you became incapacitated or you died and you have property and it's not in a trust, then those you leave behind would have to deal with the unnecessary expense and hassle and time of probate. So go ahead, establish a trust, put any property into the trust. And if you have any questions or if you need a referral to an attorney, let us know. Thanks a lot.